Hey everybody, short one today. I got a Westclox Scotty and highlighting a little bit of crystal damage there. Going to be placing this crystal and trying to get it working better. If you twist it some, it kind of runs a little bit. And as you look in the back here, there's no screws. It's just rivets. Hence why it's going to be a short one. So if you want to remove the crown stem, you got to pull up on this little button. It is not a great design. Yeah, it took like 5 minutes. Anyway, so pull it out and it just uncases real easy. Yeah, there you are. And it just pops right off. So yeah, this one's from about the mid 70s before the run from the 90s. Yeah, probably the first ones I grabbed just kind of got me interested. And after I saw I had rivets, I figured I'd wait a little bit till I was a little better at this hobby. Yeah, nothing real interesting here. There's only the one gear that comes off. That's it. That's all your parts. Just wind this down a little bit. It's got a strong mainspring. Keeps reasonable time. So here's what I used. Got Dawn, mineral spirits, and jewelry cleaner, and a little bit of isopropyl alcohol as well. Just lay out all my stuff in front of the ultrasonic cleaner. And that's what I use. It's here in my, I think it's my kitchen. And here's a little video of what it's doing. Look at all that dirt coming out of there. Man, I could watch this all day. Wild. So, just pull it out. I give it a little rinse, and then I put it in this bath of mineral spirits. And that takes another 20 minutes or so. You can't really see inside there. It's all white and cloudy, so just pulling out all the parts individually to show you I didn't forget anything. And this is the next rinse in some jewelry cleaner. And then I cut it to the next one, which is isopropyl alcohol. And yeah, you can see me pulling out the movement there. Give that a little rinse. So this is just water as well. And this is the isopropyl alcohol. Got the case nice and clean. Got that crown stem, got the bar out, got the washer. And here's where I learned that isopropyl alcohol is a solvent for acetate. And that's the crystal melted to the bottom. Yeah. Live and learn. Well, won't do that again. And yeah, had to clean up that last gear because it had acetate just melted into it. Here we go. Put a little bit of grease on these spots. There's my oiler. Yep, grease on the keyless works, grease on the time works, grease on that weird spring that makes it so that you have to push or pull the button. Yeah, especially on the button. Yeah, inside and on the mainspring. And now on the movement works. Get a little bit of oil on there. You're supposed to oil the pins and the first 3 teeth on the pin lever movement. So, just in case anyone's wondering, put a little power into it, make sure it was running. Bend those tabs back down there. Yeah, give a little press. Put those hands back into place. I didn't have a presser big enough for the biggest hand, or for the hour hand. And there is the second hand. So, interestingly enough, watch, look at that. Just pops in from the back. Drop that movement in there. Yeah, I had to use a screwdriver to get that crown stem back in there. Yeah, put the shock resistant bar in place. Snap that case back on. Yeah, now we're done. Yeah, thanks everyone. This is a quick one. Just no way to take it apart. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, and see you all for the next one. Bye.